got some crumpets warming up another nice treat. I've set the table with candy, so don't dilly-dally and never make me angry. It's nearly time for the show, so come on with the 3, 2, 1, let's go. So come on and take a chair. If not, you'll get a squeeze. I'll make you wheeze right with my long purple hair. We've got a table to lay, our guests on the way. Pick up the pace, no there's no time to delay. Don't be a slow sleepyhead, or you'll end up dead. Like poor Miss Gracie tucked in my bed. No, don't go hunting for guests, or you'll make me stressed. My famous sandwiches I make next. It's nearly time for the show, so come on with the 3, 2, 1, let's go. So come on and take a chair. If not,